Looking to tackle grimy driveways, muddy cars, or moldy patio furniture without the noise and upkeep of gas units? This guide to the best electric pressure washers highlights models that balance cleaning power, durability, and ease of use. We break down PSI, GPM, pump types, hose quality, and nozzles so you can match the washer to your jobs and budget. Whether you need a compact unit for quick rinses or a robust cleaner for deep scrubs, start here with picks. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the CRAFTSMAN Electric Pressure Washer. If you want simple, effective cleaning without bulky gear, the CRAFTSMAN Electric Pressure Washer fits right into your routine. You get up to 1,700 max pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute. Enough muscle to lift dirt, mildew, and road film from patios, siding, fencing, outdoor furniture, and vehicles while staying gentle on sensitive finishes. You'll work faster with fewer hassles. The 20 feet kink-resistant hose resists tangles, so you're not stopping to unkink lines mid-job. A 35-foot power cord gives you extra reach from the outlet, and onboard storage keeps the nozzle, hose, cord, and wand organized between uses. When you need extra grime-cutting power, the included soap applicator bottle makes it easy to lay down detergent, then rinse clean for a streak-free finish. The 1.2-gallon tank capacity supports longer soaping sessions without constant refills. You stay in control by matching spray to the task. Use a wider fan for general washing and a narrower pattern for stubborn spots. For best results on painted or delicate surfaces, start wide and step down only as needed. Make steady overlapping passes. Allow detergent a brief dwell time and rinse thoroughly. If you're after reliable pressure, tidy storage, and low-maintenance operation in a compact package, this CRAFTSMAN washer helps you clean more in fewer passes, so weekend chores wrap up sooner and everything looks freshly washed. At number 4, Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Power Washer. If you want dependable power for tough, all-around cleaning, the Joe SPX3000 makes the job straightforward and efficient. You get 2,030 pounds per square inch of working pressure and a rated 1.2 gallons per minute to cut through grime on homes, buildings, recreational vehicles, cars, decks, and more. You can tailor the spray to every task. 5 quick connect tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap let you switch from a pinpoint jet for stubborn stains to a wider fan for faster coverage. The 34-inch stainless steel lance with solid brass fittings delivers durability and a precise feel, while the heavy-duty 20-foot high-pressure hose gives you comfortable reach around driveways and patios. You'll also clean smarter with dual onboard detergent tanks. Load 2 different soaps, one for vehicles, another for siding, and toggle as you move from one surface to the next without stopping to swap bottles. The corded electric design means quick starts, steady power, and no fumes, and the 24.3-pound body stays manageable for storage and transport. For best results, start with a wider tip on delicate finishes and step down only as needed. Use steady, overlapping passes and let the detergent dwell briefly before rinsing. If you want verified pressure, flexible spray options, and convenient dual soap versatility in a reliable package, the SPX3000 helps you finish faster and keep outdoor spaces looking consistently clean. Number 3, we have the Karcher K1700 Electric Pressure Washer. If you want a straightforward washer that's easy to handle and strong enough for everyday jobs, the Karcher K1700 fits right into your routine. You get 1,700 pounds per square inch of true pressure and 1.2 gallons per minute, calibrated to lift grime without overwhelming delicate finishes. Great for patios, pavement, fencing, decks, siding, cars, and outdoor furniture. You control the clean with 3 quick change nozzles: 15 degrees for general washing, turbo for stubborn dirt and faster coverage, and 65 degrees for gentle rinsing and applying detergent. The integrated 0.5-gallon detergent tank keeps soap ready, so you can switch from rinse to deep clean without juggling bottles. A 20-foot hose provides ample reach around patios and driveways, while the compact 20.7-pound body stays manageable on shelves and in tight storage spaces. You'll appreciate the user-friendly touches every time you power up. The on-off foot switch saves your back and keeps your hands free. And the pump automatically stops when you release the trigger to conserve energy and extend motor life. Pair the right nozzle with a steady, overlapping spray, and you'll see dirt lift quickly with fewer passes. For vehicles and painted surfaces, start with the 65-degree tip and step down only as needed. If you're after dependable cleaning, simple operation, and easy portability, the Karcher K1700 helps you keep your space looking fresh with less effort and more consistency. At number 2, Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer. If you want a compact washer that still packs real cleaning power, the Westinghouse EPX3500 is built for fast, reliable results. You get 2,000 rated pounds per square inch with bursts up to 2,500 pounds per square inch at initial discharge, plus a rated 1.2 gallons per minute. That balance of pressure and flow helps you lift grime and then rinse it away on driveways, decks, fencing, patio furniture, stairs, garage floors, and vehicles. You'll move quickly from task to task. The Pro-style 17.5-inch steel wand uses quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and a soap applicator, so you can match the spray to the job in seconds. The Easy Coil nylon-braided 25 feet hose gives you reach without fighting kinks, and the 20-ounce onboard soap tank keeps detergent ready for heavy-duty cleanups. You'll appreciate how easy it is to handle. The super compact 16.5-inch tall body and low center of gravity ride on 4 quick-lock wheels with 360-degree steering, designed to resist tipping as you pull. At about 21 pounds, it's light enough to stash on a shelf, yet sturdy during use. You also protect your investment every time you release the trigger. The pump automatically stops to conserve energy and extend motor and pump life. If you want strong, versatile cleaning in a portable, tip-resistant package, the EPX3500 helps you tackle weekend projects with less effort and a cleaner finish. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Greenworks Pro Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. If you want gas-like cleaning muscle without the hassle, the Greenworks Pro Brushless Electric Pressure Washer delivers reliable, verified performance. Its 14-ampere true brushless motor puts out 3,000 pounds per square inch and 2 gallons per minute, giving you the force to lift stubborn grime and the flow to rinse it away from driveways, decks, siding, vehicles, and patio furniture. Those numbers are independently lab-tested, so you get the power you were promised. You'll clean faster with less effort. JetFlow technology delivers up to 50% more flow for quicker power rinsing and better reach on higher areas and wide surfaces. The integrated 1-gallon detergent tank simplifies soaping jobs, no juggling bottles, while the 300-inch hose lets you cover more area without constantly moving the unit. At 23 kilograms, it's stable during heavy-duty work, yet manageable to store. You also benefit from the durability and low maintenance of a brushless motor. Fewer wear parts, smoother operation, and longer life. Startups are instant. Operation is quieter than gas, and there are no fumes to deal with. Pair the right nozzle with the task, wide fan for general washing, narrower angles for deep cleaning, and a gentle setting for sensitive finishes to get professional results in fewer passes. If you're after proven power, smarter flow, and easy day-to-day usability, this Greenworks Pro Pressure Washer helps you tackle tough messes quickly and consistently, so you finish sooner and enjoy a cleaner, brighter outdoors. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which electric pressure washer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.